people watching different kind of world cinema kind of almost gives one an insight into how people from certain countries or something think. Yeah, like for instance, German movies, and I don't know, at least the German movies that I've seen on Netflix, they tend to have slightly dark themes. Yeah, and you know, considering Adolf Hitler, like there's that whole. I think the country has seen so much of grief and trauma. So even the kind of documentaries and the movies that get made there, or especially the movies that come onto Netflix from the German side, they tend to be a little somber. But so there is this one, it's series. It's called Freud, based on the life of Sigmund Freud, and you should see it. Yeah, I mean, it's like it gives you a peek into how Sigmund Freud the person was. So really, people, it's a very interesting watch. You can watch it in German with English subtitles, or yeah, you can opt for the English version also. But either way, it's really worth a watch. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.